I don't know. My voice did there for a second. It's a little. Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making white chocolate strawberry bread. It's going to be white chocolate, strawberry, everything you love about both those delicious flavors. It's going to be really quick, really easy, and just so tasty. I'll go ahead and throw a link down below in the description to my full recipe so you can make your own and bake right along with me. And while you're down there, don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out the giveaway link for the KitchenAid stand mixers. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll give you guys more info then. But for now, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on some white chocolate strawberry bread. So to start, we're gonna grab our mixing bowl and start on our dry ingredients by adding in 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and give those all a quick little whisk. So let's go ahead and scoot those over to the side, grab another mixing bowl and start on our wet ingredients. So let's first add in 2 cups of white sugar, 1 1/4 cups of vegetable oil or canola, and 4 eggs. Now let's go ahead and mix all those together until they are all well combined. Once you have all your wet ingredients fully incorporated together, let's go ahead, grab our dry ingredients and pour our wet ingredients into that bowl. And then on a medium-low speed with your hand mixer, we want to go ahead and start mixing all these ingredients together until everything really comes together and it's all fully incorporated and just looks delicious. Because you know, dessert batter always looks delicious. Once you have your batter fully incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add in a half cup of chopped strawberries and a 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. And then let's go ahead and stir those 2 ingredients into our batter. And once your batter is all come together and everything's fully incorporated, everything's already doing its thing, it's all one big party in your mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and start pouring our batter into our prepared pan, lined with some parchment paper so there are no sticky bottoms. I don't know. My voice did there for a second. It's a little. And once you have your batter in your prepared pan, let's sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top. Now let's go ahead, toss this in the oven and let bake for a good hour to an hour and 10 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. Shouldn't need longer than an hour and 10 minutes at most. So scratch all that. At most, let this bake in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes. Test it with your cake tester if you want to, but don't fully trust it because fresh strawberries are going to add some little extra liquid into the batter while it starts baking. So an hour, 10 minutes at the most, so you can slice, serve, and enjoy. So our white chocolate strawberry bread is baked. It smells like strawberry fields forever in this kitchen. It's just so good. And it looks just perfectly, just that right texture, and it's light and flaky and crummy, just everything a good strawberry bread should definitely have. But that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And while you're down there, click the link for my blog to catch the full recipe for this strawberry white chocolate bread, because you don't want to miss it. You definitely want to make it, and you definitely want to eat it and try it and share it with your friends. And when you do bake it, give a tag on Instagram. And don't forget to click that link. Don't forget to click that link for the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And I'm going to go ahead, grab a slice of this, enjoy some coffee, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!